Hello everyone out there. I'm back with another video. In this video, we'll be talking about how we make plural nouns in Turkish. Actually, we add some suffixes to make plural nouns, and in Turkish we call it çoğul eki. Let's get started. Well, this is like a basic or let's say a basic rule in Turkish for this grammar. Words whose last vowel is one of a, e, o, and u will get lar added to it, while those whose last vowel is one of e, and u will be followed by lar. Here we have it here. If the last vowel is one of them, like kalın, like the hard vowels, we add lar. And if it is if the last vowel is one of these soft vowels, we add lar to make plurals. For example, araba. Araba, the last vowel is a. So lar. Arabalar. Araba, car. Arabalar, cars. Kapı, so lar. Kapılar, doors. Top, toplar, lar, toplar, balls. Soru, question, soru, see, then lar. Sorular, questions. Kalem, pen. The last vowel is so lar. Kalemler, pens. Cami, mosque. Cami, the last vowel is lar. Camiler, mosques. Göz, eye. Göz, so lar. Gözler, eyes. Türk, like Turkish. So lar. Türkler, Turks, or the Turkish, as in plural, the Turkish people, we say. Yeah, but there are some exceptions. Some borrowed words having a, o, and u in the last syllable take lar suffix. So these are some borrowed words coming from other languages to Turkish. So we do not add lar to them. We add lar. For example, saat. Saat, we said, if you remember in here, we said if the last vowel is a, we add lar. But saat, the last vowel is a. But because it is an exception, we do not add lar. We add lar. Saatler, watches. Hayaller, dreams. Haller, situations. Seyahatler, trips, journeys. Roller, roles. Alkoller, alcohols. Semboller, symbols. Misallar, examples. Misal, example. Misaller, examples. Meşguller, meşgul, like meşgul. He's busy, she's busy. Meşguller, onlar meşguller, they're busy. Petroller, oils. Kalpler, hearts. Kalp, heart. Kalpler, hearts. İdealler, ideals. İdealler, ideals. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's all for this. And let's take a look at this quick tip in here. In Turkish, when we have a number, the noun after number comes in singular form. Beş araba. We don't say beş arabalar, 5 cars, no. In English, we say 5 cars, but in Turkish, beş araba. In English, 2 pencils. In Turkish, iki kalem. So numbers always come plus a singular noun. Beş araba. And quantities, again, come with singular nouns. Az kişi, a few people. Çok insan, many people. Hiç yabancı, no foreigners. See, in English, we add s, but in Turkish, no. Az, a little, a few. Çok, many, much. Hiç, no, nothing. Hiç yabancı. Hiç yabancı yok. There is no foreigners. So be careful about these two teeny tiny rules, but very important ones. Yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you make the most of it. If you like the videos, please subscribe our channel and leave us comments. Thank you and see you later.